Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and launching the recovery app. First, make sure your iPhone has at least 20% battery and enough free storage so the scan can write temp files. Once done, connect to a trusted Wi-Fi and enable iCloud Photos if you use cloud backups, because many apps access those indexes. Tap to install and open the app, then allow photos and files permissions when prompted. This gives the app access to thumbnails and deleted items so it can search efficiently. You now perform the actual scan and refine results. Start with Quick Scan for recent deletions or pick Deep Scan for long deleted images. Deep Scan takes longer because it reconstructs fragments. As the app shows results, apply filters, date range, file type like hike or JPEG, and minimum size to narrow thousands of hits. Preview each photo to verify quality, then mark the ones you want. Make sure to use the Restore option for in-app recovery or the Export feature to save to files. Finish by restoring the selected pictures and verifying they open correctly. Choose Restore to Photos if you want items back in the Photos app, or Export to Files for backups. Check previews and file sizes to confirm recovery quality. If something goes wrong, make sure the app still has photos and files permissions, clear temporary app cache, and confirm you have enough free space. Retry the deep scan. If persistent errors occur, gather the app log and a few example file names, then contact the app's support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.